we're about to explore the downtown area, which is where our hotel is at.
J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle, qu'on a tous une place au soleil. À tes pieds sont cachés des mondes et merveilles, un baiser volé te lève de ton sommeil. J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une soirée.
The food here is super duper yummy. Hi Josh. I have a gator bite right here. It's the tail of an alligator. That's right. Mice on Main. Can you find the other 8 miles south down Main Street based on the book Goodnight Moon by Margaret Wise Brown? Oh, Josh, there's like this in Boston. It's the ducklings too. Gallery here. There's north, east north, and west north street. Guys, do you want to eat here? Sure. Not creamy.
Yep.
The spice tea, traveling boutique, fresh salad, and then we are probably going to that place, Lost Cajun. Oh, look at this boutique. It's so cute. This place, Lost Cajun. Appetizers, the Louisiana favorites. They have seafood platter, then fish and shrimp platter, fish platter. And then the combos and Cajun classics, the po' boys, the salads.
Do you like IPAs or do you like more like an amber? Abita amber is really good.
Iced
That's
tea.
perfect. Yeah.
Not lemonade.
Southern beer.
Right here at the Lost Theater. The Lost Cajun Swamp Salt. If you're cooking some Cajun bar, there's an alligator right up there. The seafood gumbo, the fried okra, and these are the gator bites.
Oh, tastes good.
Josh, really adventurous. Go, go. I have a gator bite right here. It's the tail of an alligator. That's right. How is it, Josh? Josh is feeling adventurous today. He is eating alligator tail. Oh, does it taste, Josh? It tastes like chicken, but more exotic.
The gator.
How is it?
Yummy.
The gumbo. The seafood platter. Oysters and a fish. Fried fish. Josh would like to try the gumbo. The only gumbo Josh tried was my gumbo cooking. Now this is the real one. Right, Josh? It's spicy.
We're at Lost Cajun in downtown Greenville,
Also,
South Carolina.
have the beignet. Oh, there you go. That's the pronunciation. Beignet. It's believed that the Louisiana historians that beignets were first introduced in New Orleans in 1727 by the Ursulines of France. Those delicious fried pastries are topped with plenty of powdered sugar. This is our beignet. What I make, they are very small beignets. This is a huge beignet. Having chicory coffee. Can I smell?
Smells different. You can smell the chicory wood.
With everything we ate, it's only $55. Anyway, this is going to be 100 plus. Asian.
Hi guys. Food is awesome.
We got here from this place. This is the gallery.
Now let's say we live in Taylor's or in Cincinnati. We can just drive here.
The restaurant in the hotel Roost. Here, there's a chair here. But that they are having photo shoot in the middle of the street. Yes, sure. Dinner time. Late dinner at 8:55 or 7:55. Walking to we don't know yet.
Ano ito? May kumakain ba? Baka tayo.
Daming tao.
Marami na.
Let's want some more. Yeah. Barbecue. Oh yeah, I know.
City.
Greatest wings ever. Greenville People's Choice. Ribs, wings,
Candy.
candy kitchen. Oh, it's just no, it's more of like a candy shop. Mexican, we have a lot of those. Oh, just the enemy. Squirrel. Wow, the squirrel is aggressive.
Where?
Over there. There's Carolina Ale House.
Wala. Meron pa ba ito? Sabi natin ito pero beer yan.
This is Sticky Fingers Smokehouse. They have starters from the smoker, handhelds, and wings.
Bilang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano lang tayo?
Where is that
Let's do the
nachos?
southern sweet tea.
Yeah, where is the southern sweet tea? Oh my gosh, at the other place is so good.
Doon na ako sa bar yun ng mama.
Yeah. Which one? Which one is the tea? Sweet
I
tea.
don't know. Walang drinks dito.
There's no sticky skins. I'll try the 6 wings, award-winning hickory smoked wings, and then the full slab ribs, and then sides. You want to try collards? I want to try the collards. Collards baked beans. You want to try?
Yeah, sides. Yeah. Carolina.
Carolina sweet barbecue sauce, Memphis style sweet and smoky, and then sweet and tangy Carolina gold. And then we got the rib sampler for 2. Choose up to 3 flavors of ribs served with 3 sides. And then the sides are coleslaw, collards, and baked beans. Sweet tea. Super yummy. Guys, cheers. Cheers, cheers. This is the sampler. The full ribs, but like 3 different flavors. And then there's cornbread there, the baked beans, collards, and then coleslaw, and that one. And then the award-winning hickory chicken wings, right?
Yeah.
And then this one, I'm gonna order.
The southern soul roll.
A delicious blend of pulled pork, cream cheese, collard greens, and our master barbecue sauce, deep fried in crispy spring roll and wrappers. Oh, interesting. Very yummy. The very yummy southern food with sweet tea.
Number 1 is the barbecue ribs. Number 2 is the chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
And number 3 is the soul roll.
I love the ribs.
And the sides are all good.
This one is super delicious. The collard greens.
This is good.
This is the award-winning chicken wings, hickory chicken wings. Cheers! Cheers to your wings. Oh, Josh doesn't like to hold the wings.
I don't want to have tip anything.
I'm so full, but this cornbread, I don't really like cornbread overall, but this cornbread is so yummy. Right now, it's a little creamy. It
Yes.
has a different taste.
The food here is super yummy. Hi, Josh.
Pedicab here, bike with sidecar, see?
It's good. I know it's really good.
Yeah, the ribs, The ribs are my favorite, and the collard greens.
My favorite is the chicken.
The chicken? Yeah, the chicken is... You have no chicken? We're so full. Bitcoin ATM here. If we need funds, we can just withdraw from the Oh, actually they're open. Antonio Bertolus. Yeah, like an old. They're open 11 to 12, to 10 and 11 to 12. Now we're almost back to our hotel. This is the. That's not Monstera. No, that's elephant ear. Oh, they're closed already.